Mom, I'm learning how to fly!
Soon, my little one, the sky will always be your home.
Climate change is making the Earth warmer and storms stronger. Birds must fight harder to survive.
We must protect our nest and our children.
Our home is gone! Our home is gone!
Humans destroy our trees and nests, then wonder why birds are disappearing.
We only want a safe place to live.
Hey there! Look at this amazing forest! I'm so happy to be exploring today. Wow! Eagles! You're incredible!
Can we trust another human?
I promise. I want to protect nature.
These eagles will make us rich.
Move fast before they escape.
I won't let you hurt them.
Whoa! What do you think you're doing? Whoa! Watch out! Hey, stop! You're under arrest for harming wildlife. You are safe now.
Today is Save the Eagles Day.